But what is this? What is that? Hi guys, welcome back, and it's Millie, and today I'm gonna be doing my nails for you guys. So these are like the really cute hollow tips, pink and with stars. If you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching.
So the first step is to put on a paper towel on your desk, and I am using a drill versus acetone. I could not find it, but we are gonna take it off the long way. Alright, so I do use a nail drill. You can use a file if you have one, but it does take a lot longer. And then I use my cuticle nippers, the old pair, and I cut it away. In order to do this, you have to keep filing it so it can lift. That's what I do when I don't have acetone. I wouldn't recommend pulling it all off at once because it will hurt the natural nail. When you are doing this, I would totally recommend filing it and make sure you see it lift and you cut that away. After you have removed it, make sure you guys file it to make it a lot smoother on your natural nail. Now I'm gonna do all of the rest of the nails off camera. Now I'm going to be taking a nail clipper and trimming my natural nails down.
That's all. Then you always gotta clean up. That's why you got to put your paper towels. Now we're gonna find my nails. I'm using the round ones. Sometimes they fluctuate on what sizes depending on the season. So right here I have a little gap, so I'm gonna go up one. So the lower the number, which is like 0, is gonna be the biggest, and 1 is gonna be biggest, and the higher the number, it's smaller. So here, okay, 6. Let's hope I have it. I'm gonna have to buy more. I'm not gonna have any next month, so yeah, we'll see. There. Some of them are so weird that my pinky on my right is bigger than my left. So weird. File this so it can adhere more. And also, you guys, you can use a regular hand file. But if you guys do get a nail drill like this, I would totally get the ones that are like $50 versus the $20, $30 ones, because those are not that good. They spin really fast. I had one a while back. If it's like just this on its own and it's pink, it spins way too fast and it's too powerful, and sometimes it wobbles and it hurts like you in general. Versus this one, it goes really smooth and I love it. I've been using this one for years. If not, use a nail file. It's like 10 cents each for one.
Now I'm going to be taking my buffer and buffing my nails so we can smooth it out, so we can prep it. Next, I'm going to be taking an alcohol wipe, and then we're going to be using my primer bond. And make sure you guys only put it on the natural nail, not on the skin.
Next, I use the Beetles. You can use any. I'm thinking about getting a new gel polish, but I need to finish this. Now we take the nail builder gel. I'm using this one. I do a certain method for this. So I always flood the back part Honestly, everyone does it a little bit different. I always do like a medium to thin coat. I go right here and then I press down. Sometimes I'll go back if I need more. Sometimes there is spillage and it looks like I do need more. Oh my god. Sometimes it's not always perfect. And if you do get seepage, I would take it out and remove the excess. Like so. And then I bring it over here and cure it. So this is how it looks like. You guys, I forgot my UV gloves. Hopefully I don't get any like lint on them. So this is how it is. It's not gonna fall out or anything. The only thing is it's very fragile. I don't know how to say that. It's very bendable. That's why you gotta put on your product and make sure you guys have some type of building gel on it to make it a lot harder. Now we're gonna buff it. I'm gonna use another alcohol wipe off all the dust and get the cuticle so it blends in more. Next, I'm going to be putting the clear layer on so it could be thicker so it won't bend. I'm gonna do a nude on every fingernails. And we're gonna do a nice French tip in a bit. You guys, I also forgot to do my cuticles, but I did it like 3 weeks ago and it still hasn't really grown out too much. Okay, so we are done. We did 2 coats of the nude, pink nude. Now we're gonna do a hot pink for my French tips. And then, now this is gonna be hard because I got a camera in front of me, but it's really easy to do. First, I go from the side of the middle and do like a V. Fill that in. Then cut it right here. And then we connect the two. Like so. I know it's a little bit messy, but I'm gonna do my hollow glitter. I got this from like the dollar store. Surprisingly, they had it. It's from the brand Tony, I think.
And now I'm just going to dab it on just a little bit onto the tips on the hot pink. And don't worry about rubbing some out of the lines. We're going to be painting some stars on top of the French tip.
Okay, just finished the chrome hollow on it. I love it. And whoops. And we're gonna paint some stars. Thinking about using this or something lighter. I do like the pink. I can mix it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it with the hot pink. I wanna see how that looks. Okay. Now for the top coat. Is that what came out? Absolutely love it. Maybe I did this one too big, but nothing I can do now. Looks cute. I love the hot pink more than the light pink version. So I'm glad I did different colors on each nails. It'll come together with the top coat. Alright, so I just finished my top coat. Now I'm gonna do this hand, and it's probably gonna take like another hour. So I will see you guys back with the finished product. But yeah, this is how my nails came out. They're so cute. It took like another extra hour and a half just to even do my right side, because I write with my right. Alright, so we made it to the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my nails for today's video. I'm gonna put some pictures up here so you guys can see more close-ups and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe, and I'm trying to also reach 1,000 subscribers. And make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It's gonna be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys have a good one, and take care. Love you guys. Peace.